Hey, my name is Vance. I'm going to be your nurse today, and I'm just going to do an assessment on you today. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. And can I see your wristband? Can you tell me your name?
Shannon Dewberry.
And can you tell me your birthday?
June 24th, 2002.
Excellent. Now, do you know what today is?
Friday, April 3rd.
And do you know where we are?
Start Wednesday.
Perfect. All right, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your blood pressure and get all your vitals done, okay? All right. Can you give me your left arm? Hold your hand like this. And then rest it. All right, perfect. Now, I'm going to take your pulse rate, okay? All right, perfect. Now. All right, now we're going to start on your skin and your hair and your nails, okay? All right, now I'm going to touch your face, okay? Look in your hair. All right, now can I see your fingers, please? All right, perfect. Now we're going to move on to your head and your neck, okay? Now, can you look up for me, please? All right, thank you. Can you swallow for me? Perfect. All right, now, just gonna Alright, now, can you look to your left? All the way. Now, can you look to your right? Can you look up? And down. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to move on to your eyes, okay? Now. I'm just going to feel it here. Alright, now I'm going to shine this light on your eye, okay? Can you cover your right eye? Alright, okay. Okay. Now do the same thing. Perfect. Alright. Now I'm gonna do a vision test with you, okay? I want you to just follow my finger with your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Perfect. Okay. Now we're going onto your ears. Perfect. All right, now let's see. Do you have any problems breathing through your nose? Okay. Can you breathe in? Okay. Do it again. Perfect. Alrighty. Can you open your mouth for me? Can you lift your tongue? Okay. Now we're going to get this out. Alright, I'm just gonna look at your abdomen, okay, and listen to your lung sounds and your breath sounds, okay?